Welcome back. My name is Matt Keenitz, and I will be bringing you this weather on this pretty windy Tuesday we are having. We can see that right now in Flagstaff, we have a current temperature of around 30 degrees, and that wind chill is just 10 degrees below at 20 degrees. Our barometer is reading at 29.85 inches, giving us some light snow and cloudy skies that we are seeing right now. That relative humidity is around 86%. We are seeing some southwest winds at around 13 miles per hour. We can see that in this current satellite. You can see that we had cloud coverage all over the state today. Southern Arizona's clouds are moving pretty fast from that southwestern region into New Mexico, and northern Arizona is gathering lots of clouds, getting ready for that winter storm tonight. Taking a look at today, we had a high of 35 degrees and a low of 23. We are pretty below on that average high, around 13 degrees lower than what we are normally at 48 degrees. Our average low is around 21 degrees. We are just 2 degrees above that at 23. We did not have any precipitation yesterday. However, we are almost at 9 inches of precipitation. It is only the end of February. We are double our average, and that is pretty good for Arizona being a pretty dry state on average. We can see that today we had high temperatures all across the state. We will be seeing some cooler temperatures tomorrow, 50 degrees in Page and Sedona, 46 in Payson and Hopi, 52 over in Kingman, and 47 as the high in Prescott. We can see that tonight in Flagstaff, however, it's really going to start with that snow, that heavy and blowing snow and that pretty gusty wind. So make sure that you are prepared for that. That forecast, though, is going to be at around 23 degrees, and that sunset is going to be at 6:21 p.m. We can see that tomorrow, however, forecast high is going to be not too much higher than our low tonight at 30 degrees, and that heavy and blowing snow is going to continue, not giving us too much of a break. We can see that tomorrow sunrise is going to be just before 7 a.m. at 6:56, and it is important to remember that those winds will be pretty gusty and high, so make sure that you are prepared for that tomorrow and do not go out on the roads unless it is an absolute necessity. Taking a look at highs all across the state tomorrow, we can see that it's going to be pretty cooler than what we saw today at 47 as the high in Winslow, 24 as the low, 45 as the high in Tuba City with low around 23, 45 is the high in Page with low around 33. Now we have some red flag warnings here on this map. These are all the places that the National Weather Service has issued winter storm warnings. So Kingman, Prescott, Sedona, Flagstaff, Payson, and Show Low all have those warnings as of right now. However, we will expect snow all across northern Arizona, and there are some high wind warnings for Tuba City and Winslow as well. Taking it back to Flagstaff, however, as I mentioned, Wednesday we will be having that heavy snowfall with our high at 30 degrees with our low at 13. Thursday, as I mentioned earlier, the snow will start in the morning. However, it will dissipate into the afternoon, giving us some sunny skies as we continue on with the week. 36 is our high on Thursday with a low around 12. Friday and Saturday, we'll be having some sunny skies with a high of 39 on Friday and a low of 11. Saturday, 41 is our high with a low of 20. And Sunday, we will be having some cloud coverage come in, giving us some partly cloudy skies with a high of 43 and a low of 25. Now, that is all I have for weather right now, but stay tuned after the break for sports with Tyler Murphy.